Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So everyone's got these kind of garden gloves or the leather type of garden gloves. But the thing is with these, what happens is the ends often wear away and you end up with mashed up fingernails and mud in your fingernails. And that's what's happening with me quite a bit. So I was in one of the shops, one of the local shops the other day, and I managed to pick up a pair of these gloves. So if I can just quickly pull. So I was in one of the local shops and I managed to pick up a pair of these gloves, and I'll show you what these are like. I'll take them apart. So these gloves, they're called badger claw gloves. Look at that. They've got these plastic claws that are attached to them.
They're badger claws.
Like badger claws. So we'll go and give these a test out. Follow me and we'll harvest some potatoes and we'll give these a test out and see what happens. So these are my second early rocket potatoes. So let's have a look what's inside here. So now I'm going to use my clawed gloves so I can pull this, scratch away at this. Scratch away at this and let's see.
Are these rocket potatoes because they fly up in space?
Do they fly up in space? We'll find out. But let's see what we've got here. There's one nice little potato.
I got the bucket. Wow!
Ooh, there's some nice ones here. So these are all grown in wood chips. That's just a variety. There's another little diddy one.
Potatoes?
That's just a variety of potato. I don't know why they're called rocket potato.
Wormies!
So this is all just wood chips. I mean, I didn't plant. What I did was I basically made a small ditch in the soil, planted the potato and just covered them in wood chips. So that plant, that's all there is. There's just that one potato there, which is it's not brilliant, is it?
It has 5 potatoes.
We'll try this one as well.
Last time when we did that potato video, there was like this baby one, a tiny one. Oh, there's another baby one.
And there's
baby one.
another one there, another baby potato. There's a nice one.
It's a tiny potato.
Okay, put that in.
Yeah. Look at this tiny potato.
Is there anything else in there? No, that's it.
Where did you put the other potatoes?
Oh, there's one there. Okay. So that's. I'm a bit disappointed with that. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed with that. 2 potato plants and those potatoes. Yeah, I'm not best happy with that. So, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to bother digging any more up. I'm just going to stick these wood chips on top of there. Oh, there's one. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to dig any more up. I'm just going to pile these wood chips. Earth these up a bit more.
Next time we go,
Next time we go where?
collecting hospitals.
You're going to go collecting hospital with me? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to earth those potatoes up with these wood chips. There we go. There we go. So these are all right. These gloves.
We were playing with them.
Normally, what ends up happening is when I'm doing this kind of stuff, normally what ends up happening when I'm doing this kind of stuff, all the dirt ends up in my fingers. So now I'm at the soil. And the reason I'm coming down to the soil is I'm looking for space to plant kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi?
Yeah.
What's that?
We call it shalgam. So I'm looking for space to plant my kohlrabi. Now here's a little patch that I can use. Because kohlrabi like all brassicas, kohlrabi like firm soil. I don't want to be planting in this raised bed, on top of a raised bed. So I'll leave that covered a bit. I've got a little patch here to plant some kohlrabi. And we'll go and dig up those, the rest of those, what are they called? The rest of the volunteer potatoes.
Volunteer?
Yeah, the volunteer potatoes. Come on, let's go get them. Oh, so bring your buckets. So here's a volunteer potato. This whole area is taking up quite a lot of space. It's in the wrong place, so it's time for it to go.
Space. Whoa!
So, let's give this a little.
And I didn't know just one potato for that.
Oh, that's not a bad potato
Maybe there's
at
gonna
all.
be. Maybe there's going to be some under.
They're a bit funny shaped.
Funny shape.
No. Okay, and they're a little bit small.
Maybe there's not more potatoes in the ground.
But that would have produced some more actually. Because it's got some really diddy ones on it.
Ah,
So I put that to that side.
what are these for? Are these the bad ones?
Okay.
Are they the bad ones?
Oh, they're the bad ones. Those green ones are no good.
What green ones?
So that's not bad for free. So one volunteer planter has done as good as twice my second earlies. I mean, I don't plant a lot of earlies simply because they never do well for me. But let's take this one out as well and see what we get out of this one. Oh, it's not another bad little crop. So from this one, we've got all of those potatoes.
Good. Tiny potatoes again. Why are volunteer potatoes half pink and half white?
Because these King Edwards, and these are half pink and half white potatoes. So we can get that. This is the type of potato they are. Okay, so that's not bad at all, is it?
No.
So we've got rockets and we've got King Edwards. I mean, I will grow second earlies. I never grow first earlies. Watch out!
Whoopsie.
Because simply they don't have the blight resistance. So I never grow second earlies, but I will grow I never grow first earlies, but I will grow these second earlies again. I'll find a different variety, but I don't know why I didn't get King Edwards this year, because I do like King Edwards. They always turn out quite nice, and I love the colour of them. You know, the two-tone. So I don't know why I didn't plant them this year. Which is a bit of a shame. So these gloves have come in quite handy for that. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get these gloves from. You can have a look at that. I'll put those potatoes onto the compost pile. And this area is going to be full of kohlrabi as well. So I'll leave it there for this one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.